I'm Dawie Brits and I'm a farmer in South Africa on the border of Gauteng and Mpumalanga, a town called Balfour. I'm a third generation farmer now. My grandfather purchased the farm in 1956. My dad took over from him in 1986 and currently I'm farming with my dad. For my two sons, they are also very happy to live on the farm. Our company name is Modderbult Boerdery. We run a mixed farm. The farm is about 3,200 hectares big, 7,900 acres. Of that, 66% is planted maize and 33% is planted soybeans. We also run 1,000 head of cattle. And then chickens, we turn 1.1 million chickens every 45 days. Well, labor is the biggest challenge that's keeping me up at night. We're using a lot of new technology on the farm. And in South Africa, we have a lot of unskilled workers that cannot read and write. They can drive the machine, but they cannot work the computer. I'm in developing a big education to educate more people on the farm how to work the technology. But it comes down to where we use bigger equipment, that we do more owner-operated. We do it ourselves and we do the same job in a day, but with one big implement ourselves. Our future plans was to not rely on any government resources at all. We grow our own cattle, we grow our own feed, soybeans, and we provide our own electricity and water. So we're completely off the grid and it's a complete sustainable cycle that the future generation can just take over from us and make it better.